Kate to Gaelic, who are you listening to?
Dickle Lerny.
What song?
Galway John.
I was sitting on a bar stool downtown the other day when I said hello to this old man to pass the time away.
Sí nólaí gus mar sin dé tá mar an seo I lear an éí a gahar na gaiileh ach an bhfuil fan nolagil ar muinte na gaiileh fós céird atá ar seilna sa sacu, Daci muis linn. Let's go, Kurt Hatugation, what are you listening to?
Hi, I'm listening to the Chainsmokers. Over.
So baby, pull me closer in the backseat.
Let's go, Kate Hatugation, who are you listening to?
Riptide by Van Stroy.
Lady, running down to the riptide.
Let's go, Kurt Hatugation,
All You Need Is Love by the Beatles.
Love, love.
Kurt Hatugation,
Tungesh le Randy Zombie.
Let's go, Kate Hatugation,
Tungesh le B.O.B.
Let's go, Kate Hatugation, who are you listening to?
Coldplay, Paradise.
When she was just a girl, she expected the world.
Let's go, Kate Hatugation, who are you listening to?
Post Malone. Rockstar.
A rock star. All my brothers got that gas and they